morning, team. Justin here with your February market update. 2024 has already been designated the year of the fives by one of the big publications that I follow, and it's for three main fives that we're going to be following this year. The first of those fives is interest rates. So interest rates peaked in October around 8%. So that chased a lot of buyers away from the market. In fact, 72% of buyers who were surveyed at the end of last year said that they had put off their home search because of interest rates. Now, as interest rates fell after that, we got down into the sixes before the end of the year, and that brought a flood of buyers back. The week in between Christmas and New Year's was a very busy week, normally very slow. And so we've seen that continue through January as buyers have come back out with interest rates going down. The Fed is supposed to lower rates 3 times in the coming months, and so we do expect those rates to continue to fall. And the expectation is that by the end of the summer, we're going to see rates that start with the number 5. So, somewhere in the 5 3/4, high 5% range is probably where we're going to see rates towards the middle to end of the year. So that's the first 5. The second 5 is the number 5.5 million. It's expected that in 2024, we're probably going to see around 5.5 million total home sales. That includes new construction and existing. And so last year we were about 4.8, 4.9 million. So that's about a 10% increase from where we were last year. To put that in perspective, we were at about 6.5 2 to 3 years ago, which was way ahead of normal, but we're getting back into a normal number. For Greenville, those numbers are looking exactly like 2018, 2019 looked for us in this market. And so going 10% above that puts us into that 2020 range where we saw around 15,000 houses sold here in the Greenville area. The last 5 is appreciation. Expectation for this year is that we're probably going to be looking at somewhere around 5% appreciation on your house. And so if you bought a house for $300,000, by the end of the year, that house would likely be worth somewhere around $315,000. This past year, we saw appreciation hitting somewhere around 3% for the Greenville area. Nationally was around 1 to 2%. So again, Greenville outperforming the other areas of the country. And we do expect that number to be 5, maybe a little bit more here in Greenville, but nationally somewhere between 4 and 5%. So those are the 3 5s that we're looking at, expecting this year to turn out with. As you guys are going throughout the month of February, make sure you've registered for our taco night that's going to be at Willie Taco downtown. That's going to be on March the 4th. And you should have received an invitation in the mail recently for that. That is going to be from 5 to 7:30. We are not doing a takeout option this year, and so make sure you register. Set aside time to come in, hang out with us, eat some tacos, and enjoy time with your family, with friends and everything. And we hope to see you there. I hope you guys have a great February. Happy Valentine's Day, and we look forward to seeing you guys at Taco Night.